Level up your English. Today's term. Proactive. Meaning, taking action before a problem happens, rather than waiting for it to happen. Can you guess the meaning? C. Avoiding a difficult situation. B. Taking action in advance. A. Waiting for someone else to act. The answer is B. Taking action in advance. Example: she is proactive and always prepares her lessons before class. Remember, proactive means take action before you need to. Today's idiom. Get the ball rolling. Meaning, to start something or make a process begin. Can you guess the meaning? C. To stop an activity. B. To start something. A. To play a game. The answer is B. To start something. Example: let's get the ball rolling and start our meeting. Remember, get the ball rolling means start something. Now your turn. Can you use them in a sentence? Comment. Write your own sentence using. Get the ball rolling. Proactive. Must comment your sentences. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep achieving. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.